What is the biggest mistake people make with their first salary?
Lifestyle inflation. They increase their spending as soon as they earn more instead of increasing their investments.
What is the best age to start investing?
Today, the earlier you start, the more time compound interest has to work. Starting at age 20 is far better than starting at 30.
What is the biggest risk in life?
Not taking any risks. In a world that is changing so fast, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks at all.
What is the difference between price and value?
Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Never buy something just because it's cheap, buy it because it's worth it.
No.
Will AI ever have a soul, or will it always be just code?
It mimics emotions, but it can never feel love or pain like us.
Will AI replace humans in the workforce entirely?
AI won't replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't. It's a tool for efficiency.
What is the latte factor in personal finance?
It's the idea that small daily expenses like a $5 coffee can add up to hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Is gold still a safe investment in the digital age?
Yes, it's a hedge against inflation. When the value of paper currency drops, gold usually maintains its purchasing power.
Why do billionaires take a salary of only $1?
To avoid high income taxes, they build wealth through stock options and capital gains, which are taxed at a much lower rate.
How much should an emergency fund actually have?
At least 3 to 6 months of your total living expenses. It's your financial insurance against unexpected job loss.
What is the fastest way to build a high credit score?
Keep your credit utilization below 10% and never miss a payment. Your payment history is 35% of your total score.
Why is an index fund safer than buying single stocks? An index fund spreads your money across hundreds of companies. If one fails, the others keep.
What is the 50-30-20 rule in budgeting?
50% of income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. It's the simplest way to manage your cash flow.
What is the difference between price and value?
Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Never buy something just because it's cheap, buy it because it's worth it.
No. Why do people lose money in the stock market?
Because they trade based on emotions like fear and greed. Successful investing requires a long-term strategy and extreme emotional discipline.
How does Bitcoin actually have any real value?
Through scarcity and decentralization, there will only ever be 21 million coins, and no government can.
What is the biggest lie about saving money in a bank?
Inflation. If your bank gives 1% interest, but inflation is 4%, you are actually losing 3% of your wealth every single year.
What does it mean to pay yourself first? It means moving money into your savings or investments as soon as you get paid, before you pay any other bills or expenses.
Why is buying a new car considered a bad financial move? A new car loses 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot. It's a rapidly depreciating asset, not an investment.
How can someone start investing with just $50?
Use micro-investing apps that allow you to buy fractional shares of top companies. Start small, but start immediately.